What is going on, everybody? Aaron Latman here, owner of Attention to Detail, and we're back with another video. Today we've got the 2026 BMW 760i in full satin gray. We did a full satin PPF on the entire vehicle. This vehicle looks fantastic. Just check it out. Now, this vehicle we got straight from the dealership. Literally, BMW Cherville, and he drove it right here after he picked the vehicle up, and we started work on it. The vehicle's been in our shop for just over a week, and we did every single matte piece on the car in our full matte film. This particular vehicle, we used Cover Guard's matte film, and it is fantastic. We used their more matte film than the satin, and this vehicle just looks fantastic. The client was really worried about scratches on the matte paint and any like swirls and destroying the matte paint, rock chips. So we opted for a full body PPF in matte because the client is very concerned with the paint. So we did full matte paint protection film on the entire exterior, and then we did some of the gloss pieces as well, mainly all the gloss pieces on the front end, gloss film, and then the rockers here as well. We did the rockers in PPF as well, gloss PPF. We didn't do any of the other gloss pieces on this particular job, but the prep process of film, basically what this vehicle underwent when it got into our shop, we started off by doing a full foam wash, removing all the main dirt and grime, clean up the rims, tires, the wheelbarrows, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, all the brake dust, detail every crack and crevice. Take a detail brush, it's like a makeup brush, and we'll go along every single edge, crack, crevice, you name it, around the headlights. These are some super cool crystal headlights. We go around every crack and crevice, you name it, we do it. Once all that's completely done, then we'll cut all of the film out and we'll start the application. So the way that we do our film, the way that we cut our film, is actually on a hybrid install. So there's two ways you can do film, and the third way is our way. So there's a way you can do it with what they call a pattern or a kit install. A pattern or a kit install is where the PPF is cut out in the shape of the hood, the shape of the fender, the shape of the front bumper, and it comes in a kit, or you print it out from a pattern and you install it on. You cut from the pattern and you install it on. The second way that you can install paint protection film is with a bulk install. Now, a bulk install is when you take a big sheet of film, matte or clear, gloss, whatever you name it, and when you put that on the entire fender, and it's a big square sheet, rectangle, whatever. Then as you install the film, you then take a knife and you manually trim around all of the fender. That's a bulk install. A big sheet of film, put it on, and then you trim around it, and then you tuck your edges, whatever. Bulk installs are great. They're very difficult and they waste a lot of material. So to get the best of both worlds on non-wasting material and efficiency, and also, you know, the best quality install possible, what we do is we do what's called a hybrid pattern or a hybrid bulk install. What we do is we take the pattern online, and we have the fender, let's just say, and we take the edges and we extend them and we blow it up by about a ½ inch. So we add a ½ inch to all the edges here. Then when I install the piece on, now I only have a ½ inch to work with, as opposed to a huge rectangle like a bulk install, and I can trim out manually what I need to from there. And we only extend the edges that we need necessary. So like, for example, where we're not tucking this edge here, we're not extending this edge anymore. So it's pretty awesome because we're not going to be extending edges that don't need to be extended, but also we're not, you know, just putting a kit on to where you can actually see the film, because you do not want to see the film as much as humanly possible. Nothing is 100% in life, but we want to get to 99% perfection. And so in doing so, we want to wrap and tuck all of the edges. So once all of the film is installed and all the edges are wrapped and tucked, the entire process has 4 quality checks, one of them being all the little yellow tape marks, and we go around the entire vehicle, yellow tape anything that is not 100% perfect, 99%, and we go around the entire vehicle, we tape it all off, and then we do our final quality checks. This vehicle also got the sides and the rear windows tinted in our Johnson window film, our full ceramic window film. Insulate IR, and then we also did the full windshield as well in tint. So our window tint is pretty awesome. We take the tint and we go right up to the edge. We shave all of the glass. There's no dust, no contaminants. We have our film shop, which actually prevents all the dust and contaminants from getting in. It's pretty awesome. Our windshields are literally the best known in Northwest Indiana. There's no dust, no debris, no contamination. It's freaking flawless, and I love it. So this client's picking up here in about few hours here, so we're just getting the vehicle fully quality checked and ready. Follow me to the back. I want to show you the back of the vehicle here. We did all of the matte PPF on the back as well, and the client did not want the wing removed, so we did leave a little seam here, but you can almost barely tell that the seam is there. But the entire back is done as well. It looks absolutely fantastic. This film came out incredible. I'm super happy with it. It's perfect. I'm just blown away with the quality of the finish. So now this is exciting, and the client's gonna be thrilled when he comes to pick it up. I mean, it looks better than factory. The look of the film on the car just changed the entire gray. But the vehicle is going to be out of our care pretty soon here, and I'm excited for the client to see it. If you want to get any film done, we offer a bunch of different services. We offer detailing, interior, exterior. We offer window tinting, paint protection film, vinyl wraps, custom vehicle branding. We offer paint corrections, ceramic coatings, our 15-year bona fide warranted Icon Rock Clear. We also offer undercoatings, cavity protection, rust proofing, and I'm probably missing a few different things: powder coating, custom truck accessories and installs, custom underglow lighting, you name it, we do it. Just reach out, give us a call. We do all of our pricing in person, so make sure that you book a consultation. That's our highest form of a compliment with us, is when you call us and book a consultation. We don't want to sell you, we don't want to hard close you, but we do want to show you the shop and educate you, actually meet you, shake your hand. It's so much more personable. But if you have any questions, give us a call. We're always available, almost 24/7 on the phones. 219-533-8783. I'd be more than honored to work on your vehicle and assist with a consultation. If there's anything I can do, give me a call. Visit us at our website, www.attn2detail.info, or you can visit us and send us an email at service, S-E-R-V-I-C-E, the @ symbol, and then attn2detail.info, or text me. Thanks so much for watching this video. 2026 BMW 760i in satin gray, and this is gorgeous. Thanks so much for watching. Aaron with Attention to Detail in Highland, out.